왜 들고 다녀? 왜 들고 다녀?
야,
왜 들고 다녀? 왜 들고 다니는 거야? You bring shower 해라.
This is my first time trying like lobster. There's a lot of like lobster chunks.
Feels better than always 台版的。
Thank you. Welcome. Let's go. Welcome to Royal Plaza on Scotts at Orchard Road. So this is the deluxe room. It is not very big, but I think it is quite comfy and cozy. Yeah, so we got the king size bed because my friend wants the king size bed. I think she wants to be closer to me. And then this area here is actually quite spacious. This room size is about 30. If I'm not wrong, it's about 32. Yeah, and then we have this like work desk area here upon coming in. And then they have small bottle water, free mask. There are 2 masks here. 1 white only. Yeah, so why 1 white only? They give 2 masks. They should give 2 wipes also, right? And then 1 hand sanitizer. See my camera woman laugh and you cannot already. Okay, yeah, so like this is like the small mirror for you to do your makeup. And then you have some drawers here. This one I think can open, so this is just for decoration purposes. Yeah, so a drawer, not sure what you can put here, but maybe you can put your laptop. So there are some plugs here. 1, actually, sorry, not some plugs, 1 only. And here you have 1 couch, one only, 1. Okay, so it's a red couch that fits into the theme of Royal Plaza at Scotts, okay? And the bedside table is, yeah, okay, it's wooden. So I think the theme is like red and wooden kind of thing. And then zip-lock remote control. Yeah, zip-lock control that is hygienic. They have a notepad here. 8 at Claymore Service Residence is just nearby. And I didn't know that they belong together, but all this belongs to the Royal Plaza group. And then they have some bedside switches here and 1 plug, 1. Yeah, 1. And then they have USB charging point also. And TV here, Samsung TV. So it's good that you can lift it up because I can, you know, plug my HDMI cable here. So this is not a door. The door is actually from here. Yeah, so you can see from the other side, you can see from here also. So there are some hangers here, plenty of hangers. And then here, this is the luggage rack. And they have some flat slippers here. The iron here, hair dryer here, ironing board. Yeah, so that's about it. And this is the safe. This is the kettle. Let's go! There is tea!
Yes.
Small fridge here, small empty fridge. Okay, and then we have a full-length mirror here. Welcome to the toilet. Okay, so this toilet, what you have is you have a toilet bowl and you have a place for you to shower, and there are no shower amenities inside there, but it's here. Same thing, they give 1 only. Okay, so body wash 1, conditioning shampoo 1, but there is no conditioner. There is no conditioner, so you take note, if you want your hair to be moisturized, you have to bring your own conditioner. For the soap, they give a soap bath, not the one that you have to press. You have the manual bidet where you can, you know, at this hotel, right, they always need to have like the red in all their things. Like the floor, you see?
Red theme.
Red theme. And then also, even the headboard and the stuff here, right, must have red also. Okay, even the couch also must be red. Luckily, we never wear red, if not we'll be like part of the hotel. Okay, that's the end of the room tour. We'll see you later.
This is 2-night stay luggage. No, 1-night stay luggage. This is my bag. This is her luggage for 1 night.
Ta-da!
Oh my god.
My clothes, then my toiletries, charger, my specs, my color, my lotion,
Wow, you bring color around.
and my makeup, and then my shades, tea, and biscuits, snacks.
왜 들고 다녀?
Bola, cause I scared hungry. And my humidifier,
왜 들고 다녀?
my humidifier.
왜 들고
Wait.
다니는 거야?
Cause in hotel later too dry, then my air pipe will dry. Oh my god, my Hello Panda! Open already.
You eat tonight.
Yeah,
Take out,
must
take out.
eat. This, I take out.
왜 들고 다녀?
I pack 2 of each in case you want to eat also.
비상식량.
You
You bring?
No, this is really very little already. In case So,
Oh my god, you're in
come out
case.
already. Yeah, so the reason why got pepper here and salt is because sometimes I also stay at service apartment. So service apartment, you need to bring your own cooking shit. This is my laptop. And what's in my laptop bag? It's a laptop. Okay? This is very important. My HDMI cable. Here you go.
Hey, is this the one we bought
I think
last time?
in Taiwan.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's this one. Usually you will see like 2 bowls of
Cup noodle.
beef, 满汉大餐 from Taiwan. Got beef one. Okay. Thanks for tuning in to my unpacking with me. Okay, thank you.
Why your toiletry is so big? What you bring? Oh, heavy. You bring shower head
That's my cleansing
아 이거
tissue.
왜 이렇게 큰 거 들고 다니는 거야? Dirty shit래.
Yeah, cause I yeah. And this is my contact
이거
lens.
왜 여기 또 있어? Why is it here again?
Oh, Time check. 12:30. What is STAYCAY without cup noodles? Cute, right? But I think why she never call the husband? Ooh. Taking this small, very precious cup of cup noodle. Good morning, everybody. We are now. Do have time now? 8:50. Okay, so it's 8:52, and we managed to. And got queue, and we managed to come to the hotel place on time, but there is queue.
Set or fried rice lah. So you sort it between the restaurant. Enjoy everything. Scrambled egg set now. Okay. Then coffee tea.
Okay, so this is what we have. Croissant. So we ordered the same thing, scrambled egg, the sausage, hash brown, and baked beans, and some apple juice. Oh, these fruits. That's a tea with milk, and this is a tea without milk. Okay, bon appetit. Hello! It's 12:30 now, and we are gonna check out soon. And it's actually okay. Sorry, this is not a watch, but yeah, it's 12:29 now, and then we have 1 minute to like pack this up. But overall the stay was very good, and we love the bed very much because it's very comfy, and they have like 2 pillows. One is like harder one is like softer one. So if you want to have like a good rest, this is the hotel because the bed is really comfy, and it's generally quite a good sleep. And even though it's not like very like posh and everything, but if you're looking for something that's very cozy and nice, this is the kind of hotel that you can go to. And then the staff are quite friendly. So yeah, that's about it. I need to go and close the luggage now. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and then sayonara, bye bye.